Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty United Offensive multiplayer. First, ensure you have the original Call of Duty game installed, as United Offensive is an expansion pack. You'll then need to locate and install the United Offensive expansion itself. After installation, the crucial next step involves applying community-made patches. These patches are essential for modern operating system compatibility and to access the remaining active multiplayer servers. Without them, you'll likely encounter errors or be unable to connect to the game's online infrastructure. Once your game is patched, the next step is finding active servers. Since official support has ended, you'll rely on community-run server browsers, often found on fan websites. These lists display available games and player counts. Alternatively, if you know a server's specific IP address, you can connect directly through the in-game console. Expect to find classic game modes like Team Deathmatch, where up to 32 players can battle it out, or objective-based modes like Capture the Flag, offering varied gameplay experiences. When you join a game, focus on mastering the core mechanics. Effective movement, precise aiming, and managing weapon recoil are crucial for survival. In objective-based modes, remember that securing the objective is often more important than individual kills. Pay close attention to the map layout. Knowing common choke points and flanking routes can give you a significant advantage. Experiment with different weapon classes, from powerful rifles to rapid-fire submachine guns, to find what suits your playstyle best and dominate the battlefield. To truly enjoy United Offensive multiplayer, connect with its dedicated community. Many players gather on forums and Discord servers to organize games, share tips, and discuss the game. Using voice communication, whether in-game or through applications like Discord, can greatly enhance teamwork and coordination, especially in objective modes. Remember to always practice good sportsmanship. A positive attitude makes the experience better for everyone. This vibrant community keeps the game alive, ensuring you'll always find a match and friendly faces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.